How you doing, Infamous Living Room Network? It's Trent Henderson. Thank you so much for tuning in. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So I'm assuming that you're a YouTuber already, or you want to become a YouTuber. And so I'm gonna give you, some tips and some advice you're gonna need to know in this year, 2018, if you want to be a YouTuber. First and foremost, my name is Trent Henderson. I've been a YouTuber for like 3 years now. And I want to say that YouTube is a very, very great platform. If you want to be more creative, if you're trying to find your purpose, if you want to attract more friends into your life, YouTube has all of that. Nowadays, everybody's on their cell phones and everybody's pretty much watching Netflix. And if they ain't watching Netflix, they're watching YouTube on TV. Because most people do not like to be dictated when it comes to what they are watching versus watching television and it's commercial, then it's back to your favorite show, then it's another commercial. People are like, oh my god, no, I hate that. I want to watch what I want to watch now. So even YouTube Red has came out where it's like you can skip the ads now. But YouTube is very great. RIM team members know that. Because actually it was a RIM team member, somebody who subscribed to me, that actually sparked this topic today. So thank you so much, Deja, who is starting up her YouTube channel, I think very soon. I think she sent me a message saying that she's going to start it up very soon, or whatever the case may be. But there are a lot of people who have started their YouTube channels up just by being a RIM team member or subscriber here on my channel. And so, for instance, Sabrina, Jim Kim started his YouTube channel. Nikki Somerville has a YouTube channel about tarot cards. Kevin, aka Limitless, has his own YouTube channel. He's a RIM team member who I talk to monthly. And so, I know if you're watching this video, you probably too will be a very successful YouTuber. And I say that because most people become YouTubers based off of seeing somebody else become successful in YouTube. And so 9 times out of 10, you will be successful in YouTube if you're watching this video right now. If you do these tips that I tell you to do. And YouTube also has, very, 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 very many financial benefits. Very, 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 very many financial benefits. I mean, you can have anywhere from like 15 to 20 different incomes on YouTube. And that ain't even counting the ads. The ads that they display on your videos, you get paid off that too. And depending on however many videos you have, you could literally generate a whole lot of revenue just through your ads. And so, ad money is great, but it's slow money. It's not money that you're going to get like overnight, like boom, here goes a big fat paycheck today because you made this much money overnight. No, YouTube pays you monthly through Google, and you get paid, on ads, based on, watch time, how long people watch your videos and stuff like that. And so, it's very wonderful, man. It's very wonderful to be able to be a creator on a platform like the biggest search engine in the world, which is YouTube, which is a part of Google, and to be getting paid from it. There's a lot of benefits in this, folks, especially if you're that type of person that talks a lot. You like to talk a lot. You find yourself very, very creative. Like I said, you're just really looking for a tribe, people with like minds who are just like you. This is the platform. And if you're really, really good at it, you will begin to get subscribers really, really fast. I mean, it all depends on your niche too. It all depends on whatever type of niche you wanna be in, because there are many different niches out there. I just heard that there's a YouTuber who has a wine tasting channel where she drinks wine and have her followers or viewers drink wine with her and stuff like that. There's YouTubers out there who make straight controversial videos, just for controversy. There are YouTubers out there who are like me and make videos about the law of attraction and manifestation and so forth and so forth. So there's no limit as to what type of content you can create on YouTube. You just have to know which niche you want to get into, know how much this niche is making, and know whether or not you're going to be able to keep up that that confidence and keep going forward to actually get that content out there with the passion, because that's really key. If you want to become a really successful YouTuber, you have to make sure that you have lots of passion for whatever it is you want to talk about. and you would just fly in YouTube. You would just really succeed because nothing is greater than your passion. You know what I mean? Whatever you're passionate about, man, you will never stop talking about it, right? You'll never stop talking about it. You never stop wanting to talk about it when you're around your friends and stuff like that. When your friends are around, it's like, oh my God, I can't talk about my passion because it'll get on their nerves. They do not want to hear it. Okay, well, put it on YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I did. Like I had a passion for talking about attracting things and manifesting things in life and how great life is and stuff like that. And I just got tired of like telling this stuff to people who didn't want to hear me or didn't care to hear me. And so I put it all in something that could make me some money and help me pay some bills. And so you can do the same thing too. What else I have for you? So again, folks, it's just really, really fun. Like it's super duper fun because you get to have conversations with people from all across the world. So when you start your YouTube channel and get it popping or whatever, you'll be attracting people from all around the world because, like I said, YouTube is like the biggest search engine in the world, and so that's what I like about it the most. You don't have to just focus on people that are in your country. Like this thing shoots all around the world. People will be hitting you up from Alaska, Iceland, China, Dubai, Portugal, Switzerland, all kind of places around the world. All kind of people will begin to come out the woodworks who are just like you, and that's how a lot of y'all subscribers subscribe to me because the things that I talked about or I talk about here on the Infamous Living Room Network, you have to write this stuff down in your description sections when you create your YouTube channel. And you also have to put tags in the video when you're done creating it. Once it uploads, you have to put tags on what it's about. And so once the computer actually generates all this information, it shoots it out to people who are looking this information up. Like, I'm looking up law of attraction or YouTube videos on how to become a better YouTuber in 2018. Okay, it's going to shoot to the person who just looked it up, and they're going to come to my video and watch this video, just like they're going to come to your videos and watch your videos based on whatever it is that you type up or the information you put in the description section for your video. Did you get that fast? Oh my God. And so that's that passion talking. So like I said, folks, you have to make sure that you really have passion. I'm going to tell y'all, Kevin, I told you, and Kevin can vouch for me because I did tell him this, who is a YouTuber here and a RIM team member on the Infamous Living Room Network. But he asked, man, what does it take to be successful on YouTube? And folks, if you ask me, a 3-year veteran, I've been going at it. I'm a YouTube vlogger, been here for every single day. I make vlogs daily, and I'll tell you why in a second. But the number one thing, the ingredients that you need to become a successful YouTuber, folks, is consistency. For instance, if you want to upload one video a week, you have to stay consistent in uploading that video once a week. If you want to upload 2 videos a week, you have to stay consistent. If you want to upload before 8 o'clock and, after 7:30, you have to upload in that time bracket. I mean, you have to be consistent all around the spectrum if you want to be successful on YouTube, folks. Trust me. Just trust what I'm saying. The next thing you need to do is you need to have passion. Like, once again, you got to, whatever it is that you really love to talk about, you got to make sure that you're making videos only on what you love to talk about. Otherwise, you will stress, you will struggle, you will wonder why you ain't getting followers, you will wonder why people don't like you, you will wonder why you don't, you're just not getting anywhere on the YouTube platform. You have to be passionate about whatever it is that you're talking about, folks. That's very important. I mean, it don't make sense to just get on YouTube and try to make money. It don't work like that. You get money based on the value that you give into the people that's watching you. If you're not able to give people value, if you're not able to tell people tricks and tips and your biggest secrets on what you know about life, people ain't gonna take it. They ain't gonna take you seriously. And those are really the only 2 things. And I would put one more in there, which is you have to be very creative. You have to be very creative because, again, YouTube is a platform for creativity. Like, you have to create thumbnails. You have to be an entertainer somewhat. You have to be a personality. People are not attracted to people who are boring and dull. I mean, I don't like watching people on television or YouTube who's like boring and dull. People I'm subscribed to have very peculiar, very different personalities, very spontaneous, and I like that. And so that was the type of people I'm subscribed to, And so, yeah, like, it's very, very cool once you realize how to maneuver through YouTube. Like, once you start and you start, eating the chips out of the Pringles thing, then it gets like addictive. Like you start to really want to create more content, especially when you have people that are coming around you who are just like you. They're gonna just really be coming around you because they are attracted to you as a friend. So we, like Infamous Living Room Network here on our channel, we are close friends, so to speak. You know, like we're just all the same. We think about the same things. We leave comments and stuff talking about the same interests and stuff like that. So you will begin to attract people to your YouTube channel who talks about the things that you like to talk about. And I think that's it. I think that's all I had. Patience on YouTube is definitely a necessity as well. Like I said, most people they want to have YouTube success like overnight or whatever, but that's not the way it happens, folks. It's something that happens over time. It's something that happens over time. Yeah, you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get a lot of money, but it's not going to be like a big fat paycheck like all at once. It's just you got to continue to maintain. You got to continue to like go forward. And folks, I'm going to tell you this, and I don't want to hurt your feelings or whatever if you want to become a YouTuber, but I have to tell you the real stuff so you'll know what you're getting into before you get into it. I'm not going to sugarcoat and fabricate nothing because I want you to be prepared for what you're about to be up against if you want to become a YouTuber. But folks, it's not easy. I'm just saying like that. It's not easy. Just like anything else in life, it's not easy. It's a job. You know, if you want to use YouTube as a place where you work, you have to think of it like a job. And nobody really likes to go on work, do they? We just like the money that's coming in. You know what I'm saying? But if you are passionate about what you're about to be talking about on YouTube, then you won't see it as a job. You see what I'm saying? Like, you won't think of it as something that's hard. But like I said, it only becomes hard if you are just doing it for all the wrong reasons. But like for me, that's the reason why I've been, going for like 3 years is because I don't really see this as a job. I don't really see this as something that's really hard for me to do because I just love talking about life and things concerning the law of attraction and stuff like that. And that's on my mind all the time. So it's nothing for me to just turn on my cameras and just start talking about something that interests people that follow me. And so that's it, folks. I mean, like I said, it's really beneficial, and it's very, 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 very much a place where you can make, finances, happen. And like I said, man, like me, I'm at the point now, being in this for 3 years, I get all kind of, little partnerships and people hit me up trying to connect with me. And, somebody hit me up from New York this morning, and they was like this scent fragrance company from New York or whatever. And they was like, we love your content. We are looking forward to partnershiping with you because we want you to sell our product, help us sell our product or whatever. And it's actually a pretty cool product. And I think I might start promoting that product because it's a scent, and I love scents. But they said that they was attracted through a Serious Mass video that I made, which is like whey protein. I made a whey protein video like a year ago, and they saw that video and they saw how I promoted Serious Mass. And they want me to promote their perfume or cologne or whatever the case may be. But I'm gonna check into it. Y'all see, if y'all are subscribers to my channel, you'll see me talk more about this special perfume. I also did something for a company called Transcendence Gold. Maybe about 3 or 4 months back, I was doing the Transcendent thing. I think some of y'all remember that. But folks, I'm just saying that all to say this. It's a lot of benefits in it. It's a lot of benefits in YouTube. And it's very fun. And it's something that nobody can take from you because it's just yours. And I already know that y'all, whoever watching this video, I already know, like, people who are subscribed to me, a lot of y'all are going to become YouTubers. I already know it. I already know that y'all are going to be very successful in YouTube because that's just how it works. Like, I'm a role model. I'm a living testimony. I'm an example. All to say that, I don't want you to always be like looking at me 24/7, like trying to live your life through my eyes. No, I expect you to go in your life and live your life doing the things that you love to do. And I know some of y'all are going to be YouTubers and very, very successful YouTubers like Kevin, like Nikki Somerville. Nikki Somerville is a tarot card oracle YouTuber. She talks about life path number 11. I met her not too long ago, and she's passionate. She's uploading videos, content every day. Sometimes she uploads content to my Facebook page so much I gotta say, dang, I can't keep uploading this, Nikki. You going too fast, baby. Good job. Shouts out to you, Nikki. She's a great YouTuber, folks. And Jim, Kim, man, all these people who I'm talking about are people who are just like you, who have started YouTube channels, and I can see the success in their channels already. You know what I mean? I might be a couple years ahead, but that's fine. As long as you start now, you know what I mean? You'll be just like me. You'll be just like me, folks. You'll be looking back on this moment and you'll be like, dang, I remember like 3 years ago, it was just like yesterday, and I was just thinking about starting a YouTube channel, and now you got a YouTube channel. You know, so I'm going to end it off on that note, folks. By the way, just like I helped most of these guys that I just mentioned, people that I named or whatever, you know, I've done my share in helping them. I will help you build your YouTube channel as well. And once again, all you have to do is just simply sign up as a RIM team member, and I talk to you on the phone, text messaging, email, folks. I will literally tell you all the secrets that you need to know in order to have a successful YouTube channel, you know, to where you don't really have to even go to work anymore. I will help you get to that point, folks. Trust and believe. I'm a veteran at this. I'm a pro at this. All the RIM team members know. You know what I mean? I'll be putting out that content 24/7, 365, so I can help you. I can help you, but you got to sign up. But thank y'all so much for tuning in, folks. Once again, speak up, let your voice be heard. If you're thinking about becoming a YouTuber, speak up, let your voice be heard. Let us know what your channel going to be about. Sign up. Stay tuned. Go ahead and get this video a thumbs up before you go. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.